Desert wind, like the feeling of the scorching heat winds of the Arabian desert, the relentless breeze that stings the skin as it hits. You did not invite it, nor do you welcome it, but it sneaks upon you like a slithering snake in the night. Your so-called friend deems it necessary to make his way towards you, and before you realize what is happening, you see right in front of your face his bum crack. There's no time to understand what just transpired because it hits you. A fresh one straight from the ass of a peasant. You gasp for air, but you can't catch your breath. The stinging sensation on your face forces you to shake uncontrollably. Your friends are laughing like hyenas, and by now you're paralyzed. You're stunned, and now you finally realize what just happened. This is like no other fart, for other farts take time to reach you. But this traveled but a short journey, fresh from the farmer's market. You feel the heat. You can even taste it. It shows no mercy. Desert wind. In a sentence? Dude, you just got desert winded. How's that smell, son? Yang yang, yang yang.